let us see this problem. Design a Turing machine to accept the language containing even number of zeros and any number of ones. So in order to solve this problem, here the Turing machine is nothing but an extension to the DFA only, like DFA containing the substring 110 for substring problems, for ending with problem, starting with and ending with. Next, even number of zeros and even number of ones, even, odd, odd, even, odd, odd, for even number of zeros and any number of ones. Designing the Turing machine is just like designing the DFA only. But we will follow, but there are some more transitions. First, let us construct the DFA for this problem. So here what is the language? Even number of zeros and any number of ones. So number of zeros must be even. So that means epsilon means zero number of zeros. Any number of ones means we can have zero number of ones also, epsilon. Next, even number of zeros means 00. Any number of 1 means we can use any number of ones, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, next 0, 0, 111. Next, number of zeros should be even. So 4 zeros. Number of ones, any number of ones, it is our choice. So likewise we can have a number of strings. First let us construct the DFA for this problem. DFA. So even number of zeros. That means the initial state will also becomes the final state. Why? Because zero number of zeros, that is nothing but even number. Okay. So Q0 is nothing but both initial state as well as final state. Why? Because it can accept, it has to accept zero number of zeros also. Okay. Next, we need to have one more state. So apply 0 from Q0 to Q1. Next, from Q1 to Q0 also on 0 transition. We will have a transition like this. So let we have 2 zeros. Then Q0 on 0 goes to Q1. Q1 on 0 goes to Q0. So Q0 is the final state. Let we have 4 ones. So let we have 4 zeros. So 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. Next, what about number of ones? So number of ones means there is no constraint. So we can use any number of ones. So on Q0 we can apply the self loop, any number of ones. On Q1 we can apply the self loop, that is any number of ones. So let's check whether this string is valid or not. So Q0 on 0 means Q1. Q1 on 0 means Q0. Q0 on 3 1 means we will be at Q0 only. Q0 is the final state. Let's check this string, 4 zeros. Q0 on 0 means Q1. Q1 on 0 means Q0. Q0 on 0 means Q1. Q1 on 0 means Q0. So Q0 on 1 means Q0. Q0 is the final state. So this is the DFA for accepting even number of zeros and any number of ones. So now we have to make this DFA as the Turing machine. So this is nothing but Turing machine transition diagram. Here simply we will follow the transition diagram only. But in addition to that, we need one more state. Here we have only Q1 state. Next we need to take Q2 state here. We have to take Q2 state here, and that Q2 state will becomes the final state. Okay. So here we will have two final states. Q0 is one final state, Q2 is another final state. Okay. Next, Q0 on 1 means Q0. So we can write the transition as Q0 on 1 means we have to replace 1 by 1 and move towards the right. Here Q0 on 0 means Q1. We can write the transition as, if the input symbol is 0, then replace 0 by 0 and move towards the right. So for any sort of problems, like if we construct the DFA for any sort of problem, so for Turing machine we will follow that approach only. So we need to have one more additional state. So if we apply blank symbol on last but one state, replace that blank symbol by blank symbol and move towards the right. Okay. So here we will have Q0 state. Q0 is the final state. Q1 state. Here in order to make this as DFA, we need to have one more state. So Q2, this is also the final state. Next, here the transition is 1. So Q0 on 1 means 1 only and move the head towards the right. Next, Q0 on 0 means replace it by 0 and move the head towards the right. Next, Q1 on 1 means replace it by 1 and move the head towards the right. So for any problems like starting with or ending with, if you want to construct a DFA, if you want to construct a Turing machine from the DFA, we will follow this manner only. Okay. Next, Q1 on 0 means replace it by 0 and move the head towards the right. Next, Q1 on blank symbol means replace it by blank symbol and move the head towards the right. So this is the Turing machine for accepting even number of zeros and any number of ones. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as share the channel with your friends. Thanks for